Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the AROEVE brand, their air purifier for up to 1,395 square feet, which is a pretty large room. Inside here there's UV sterilization light and air quality sensors, and has a washable front filter and a HEPA filter in the back. Let's just take a look. It's got a nice long generous power cord on here. So in the back of the unit there is an air quality sensor right there. Uses a laser and it measures the quality. You know, occasionally you want to vacuum this out in case there's any dust in there, but there really shouldn't be too much dust on there. Now this is the way the unit is shipped, and you have to open it up, and you've got to take the plastic off the filters. So this is the pre-filter right here, and this is washable. It has a material on there to trap some of the larger particles. And then this is the actual HEPA filter. And you'll notice how thick it is. It's about 2 inches thick. And you want to remove the plastic on here. So look how thick that is. So this side's got activated carbon on it. Really nice. And there's a protective mesh on there. So on the unit itself, let's take a look. You can see what's going on here. It's got some kind of an optical sensor. And here is the induction motor that's drawing the air in. And again, somewhere inside here, that air passes through and it goes to a sterilization filter. So let's place this back in place. By the way, this is not washable. This needs to be replaced every so many 3,000 hours or so. Let's put that back in. And then this one right here goes in next. And it kind of locks in. There's little tabs on the top right there that hold it in place. When you're putting this piece back in, it has tabs on the bottom that go on the bottom of the unit. And then you click it just like that, and then it is ready for use. The unit comes with an instruction manual and a full 2-year warranty, which is great, and this gets excellent customer ratings. So this is the MK07 air purifier. It has a high CADR, which is a measurement of the airflow and purification of 176 cubic feet per minute, or 300 meters cubed per hour. You can look up those numbers, but that means that it's a very efficient removal of tiny particles and pollutants, and they kind of demonstrate that. And that coverage of 1,395 square feet is really large and ensures you're going to get fresh air in your home. Now, this has smart sensing, real insight, visual air quality indicators we're going to show. So it accurately will measure PM1 levels, surpassing other products that only detect PM 2.5. So I turned some of the studio lights off here so we could look at this a little easier. Here's the on-off button. I love that little blue display on there. So you can see that there is a number right there, and also there's a little display telling you the power level that's being used. There is an auto mode. And auto will look at the air quality and determine how much airflow is required. So you have a speed control right there, and you can see that it increments. That little blue display right there allows you to boost up the power effectively. And in terms of noise level, I've tested about 30 units on this high setting. That's not bad at all. And of course you have a sleep mode, which is going to turn everything off, but yet it quietly allows it to still filter the air, which is really nice. And it has a filter reset. You can also test the filter right there, and it's really cool because it tells you the percentage that's left of the filter, which is really nice. You can turn the display on and off if you want to right there. You have air info right there. When you see the different status of the air information on there, the quality of it. and also visual indicators, which they do talk about in the manual. They do break up the functions of everything on here, and the air quality right there is shown. Blue, very good, green, good, moderate is yellow, and red is bad. So if I were to have all of a sudden smoke in the room, this would start changing colors and go to red, and it would filter out that bad air. So I love the way the high-tech look of this thing. It's also physically not that big, so it's not going to take up a lot of space, even though it has that really high CADR number. That means this thing can really filter a lot of the air quite effectively. So I'm impressed with this. I love the simplicity of the display. The ability that it shows you the quality of the air is really nice to have on an air filter, so that you know that it's doing its job. And you'll see it's really interesting. You'll see if all of a sudden there was something in the air. It could be water molecules, it could be smoke, dirt, dander, pet dander, cat dander. You'll see this start to change. Then this thing will kick on faster, and then all of a sudden you'll see this go back to blue. So it's actually correcting the air quality, which is really nice. And again, that auto function is really handy to have on something like this. You also have a timer function on here. You can see in hours, so you could determine how long this thing is on, and then it'll be on for that particular amount of time. That's a nice feature they've added. So I've tested a lot of different air purifiers, and this is up there on the top 2 or 3 ones I've tested. I'm impressed with it. So what do I think about the AROEVE brand, this air purifier? I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.